Hello, bachcho. So let's read this question. Which of the following statements is or are correct about the solid catalyst? Same reactants may give different product by using different catalysts. Catalyst is required in large quantities to catalyze reactions. Catalyst does not change delta H, which is change in enthalpy of reaction. Catalytic activity of a solid catalyst does not depend upon the strength of the chemisorption. So we have to tell the correct statements in the question. Now let us write the key concept of the question. So key concept of the question says the action of catalyst. So catalysts are substances which change the rate of reaction. It either fastens it or slows it down. The action of catalyst is highly selective in nature. That is, a given substance can act as a catalyst only in a particular reaction and not for all reactions. It means that a substance that acts as a catalyst in one reaction may fail to catalyze the other. Catalyze the other. Now let us talk about the questions and statements that are given to us. पहला statement हमें दे रखा है same reactants may give different product by using different catalysts. So we can say same reactants may give different products by using different catalysts as different catalysts have different specific functions to mold the reaction towards the specific product. तो जो हमारा फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट है अभी हमने एक्सप्लेनेशन देखा इट इज ट्रू. Now let us talk about the second statement. Catalyst is required in large quantities to catalyze the reactions. So this statement is false as we know that catalysts are required in small quantities to catalyze the reaction. तो हमारा जो second statement है it is false. Now let us talk about the third statement. Catalyst does not change the delta H of the reaction. Delta H is change in enthalpy. Now let us discuss this. A catalyst does not change delta H of a reaction as delta H is the difference between the enthalpy of reactants and products. तो हमें पता है जो हमारे कैटलिस्ट होते हैं they do not take part in the reactions, they only fasten the rate of reaction or slows it down. So जो हमारा delta H of the reaction है it is not changed with the catalyst. So हमारा जो third statement हो गया it is true. Now let us talk about the fourth statement. Fourth statement कह रहा है catalytic activity of a solid catalyst does not depend upon the strength of the chemisorption. Chemisorption is हमारा chemical adsorption. Now let us talk about this statement. We know that the catalytic activity of a solid catalyst depends upon the strength of chemisorption. Because we know the reactants must get adsorbed reasonably strongly, reasonably strong onto the catalyst to become active. So as it depends on adsorption, it depends on chemisorption active. तो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर फोर्थ भी फॉल्स हो गया because it says solid catalyst does not depend, whereas it does depend on the strength of the chemisorptions. So हमारे true statements हो गए 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 are the correct answer to the question. A option is the correct answer. I hope you understood the question well. Best of luck.